Indian Army has sought the inclusion of additional police stations in Manipur Valley under the ambit of the Armed Forces Special Powers Act Afspa to Ministry of Home Affairs MHA during a meeting chaired by the ministry yesterday. According to the Hindu national newspaper, MHA will take the last decision regarding the request. It may be mentioned that the act was imposed on the areas covered by 6 police stations on November 14 last year. MHA also reviewed the imposition of Afspa in Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh and Manipur during the meeting. The act, which was imposed in disturbed areas, will last till March 31st, and to prolong or continue the imposition of the act depends on the decision of MHA and relevant state government. Currently, the ministry issues disturbed area notifications only for Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh, while the notification for Manipur and Assam are issued by the respective state governments. The periodic 6-month disturbed area notification for 4 states comes to an end on March 31st.